Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a presentation video that I'm doing on the 5 problems and solutions for getting traffic to your affiliate offers. And any resources that I talk about, including a blog post, will be in the description. And I do strongly recommend that you read that blog post because it is congruent with the video. So let's go watch that presentation video and then I'll be back. 5 solutions for getting traffic in affiliate marketing. Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a presentation video that I'm doing on the 5 problems and solutions for getting traffic to your affiliate offers. The first problem we run into is high competition. In affiliate marketing, there is a lot of competition. There's many marketers promoting the same or similar products. So there is a lot of competition, and the solution is to stand out, be unique, have high quality content and valuable content, and build a strong personal brand. The next problem we run into is SEO challenges. This is because of all the competition and the search engines, so it's hard to get your pages ranked. The solution is to focus on long tail keywords, make sure you answer questions for your target audience's needs, optimize your website for search engines, and be consistent with high quality content. The third problem affiliate marketers face when trying to get traffic is generating high quality content. The problem is generating high quality content requires a good understanding of your audience needs. Plus, it needs to be engaging, informative, and have high quality. The solution is develop a strategy that includes a mix of blogs, videos, infographics, and social media updates. Use analytics and understand the content that resonates the most with your audience. The fourth problem that affiliate marketers face when trying to get traffic to their affiliate offers is ad fatigue and banner blindness. The problem is people are seeing so many ads and banners and pop-ups that they're just getting desensitized to them. And the solution for this is to focus on creating value-driven and less intrusive forms of advertising. Use native advertising, influencer partnerships, and interactive content. The fifth problem that affiliate marketers face when trying to get traffic to their affiliate offers is social media algorithm changes. The social media platforms frequently update their algorithms, and this reduces your ability to get traffic to your affiliate offers. And the solution is to stay informed about the algorithm changes, diversify your traffic sources, build a community around your brand to encourage organic engagement. Also consider investing in paid social media advertising to maintain a steady flow of traffic. So there you have it. Those are 5 common problems and solutions for getting traffic to your affiliate offers. By understanding these common problems and using these solutions, you can create an effective strategy to build long-term success in affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm back, and that was a presentation video that I did on the 5 problems and solutions for getting traffic to your affiliate offers. And there again, any resources that I talk about, including the blog post, will be in the description. And I do strongly recommend that you read that blog post. So I hope you learned something, stay safe, and have a great day.